Okay, now what we will see is nothing but the one and only river Krishna. Okay, what we will see is nothing but the one and only river Krishna. Okay, that is nothing but the river Krishna. Okay, the one and only river Krishna. Okay, this river Krishna is there, no? This river Krishna, it is born. Okay, this river Krishna is born at Mahabaleshwaram. Mahabaleshwaram in Maharashtra. Okay, Mahabaleshwaram, Maharashtra. This river Krishna is there, no? Merges into Bay of Bengal at Hamsal Devi. It merges at Hamsal Devi, that is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then this river Krishna is there, no? It is the second largest. Okay, this is the second largest river in, okay, it is South India, and also third largest river in India. It is the third largest river in India. Okay, third largest river in India, and we are going to have that 6 projects in that river Krishna. Okay, projects. Okay, projects on river Krishna. Okay, 6 projects on river Krishna is nothing but Almaty. Okay, it is Almaty. It is located in Karnataka, Almaty, and Narayan project. And then what is we are going to have Priyadarshini Jorala. Priyadarshini Jorala. Then we are going to have Srisailam. Then we are going to have Srisailam. Okay, that is the thing, that is the project. And then we are going to have Nagarjuna Sagar project. And then we are going to have Prakasam barrage. Okay, these are the 6 important projects on that river Krishna. The first one is nothing but Almaty, then Narayan project, Priyadarshini Jorala, Srisailam project, Nagarjuna Sagar project, and Prakasam barrage. These are all the dams also. Okay, that is the thing. This this Nagarjuna Sagar project is there, no? This Nagarjuna Sagar project, okay, whatever it is there, no? It is the, this is nothing but this is the one and only the largest rock built dam in India. Okay, this is the largest rock built dam in India. Okay, in India the longest dam is nothing but that is Hirakud Dam. It is on the river Mahanadi, Sambalpur. That is the longest dam. It is the largest rock built dam in India. Okay, that is the thing. And we will see some of the tributaries of that tributaries of Krishna. Okay, we'll see some tributaries. Okay, these tributaries of river Krishna. Okay, and there is one shortcut for this thing. We'll see that shortcut and then we will proceed with that tributaries. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, what is that shortcut means? That shortcut is nothing but what to say, how it can be seen is nothing but that is beamu మొండి కోపంతో, భీము మొండి కోపంతో మధుని పాలేరు అన్నాడు. భీము మొండి కోపంతో మధుని పాలేరు అన్నాడు. ఓకే, సో పాలేరు అన్నాడు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. భీము మొండి కోపంతో మధుని పాలేరు అన్నాడు. In that this B, whatever it is there, no, this B stands for Bhima. B for Bhima. Okay, and this mu, whatever this mu is there, no, it is Munneru, and this mo, whatever this mo is there, no, Musi, and this D, whatever this D is there, no, it is for Dindi. Okay, and this Koyana, river Koyana, it is also tributary of that sea. Then Pa, this Pa is there, no, Panchaganga. Okay, this Pa stands for Panchaganga, and this To stands for Tungabhadra. And this Du, it stands for Dudganga. And this Paleru stands for Paleru. Okay, that is the thing. These are the different tributaries of that river Krishna. This B stands for Bhima, Mu stands for Munneru, Mo stands for Musi, D stands for Dindi, Ko stands for Koyana, Pa stands for Panchaganga, To stands for Tungabhadra, Du stands for Dudganga, Paleru stands for Paleru. Okay, these are the different things, and these are the different projects. Okay, these are the different projects and some of the important points, that birthplace and where deaths. That is the thing. All this is all about the river Krishna. Thank you.